I'm back in Paris, about ready to head out on the next leg of my adventure through southeastern Europe. I'll be biking from Paris to Athens, stopping by CERN in Geneva, through Italy, Slovenia, Croatia, Serbia, especially Serbia, where I'm looking forward to meeting up again with Marinko and Borko, two of the most amazing teachers I've ever met. And they're going to be putting me in contact with many other people in Serbia and bordering countries. Eventually finishing up into Greece, hopefully heading south to avoid some of the horrible weather by the end of October, before coming back to Paris in November to share all these ideas with the wonderful people at my school. Just had an amazing experiment fest with the wonderful students of Koh-Ed, and yes, thank you again to everyone helping to run that and who came out. I've had some great words of encouragement from some of the amazing people I've met around the world, so I'd like to take a moment to share that with you now.
On bicycle, that is wonderful. Please bring back to Ghana all the nice experiments that you've learned there. And we promise you, we're also going to give you a very nice experiment here in Ghana. Reporting from St. Francis College of Education, Michael will release you. Please come back. Bye-bye.
Hi, Mr. Gregory. I hope you have a wonderful trip in Serbia, and I hope you have a very safe trip. I can't wait to hear all about it, and I hope you can keep us posted, because I would love to share this wonderful work that you're doing with everyone at Koh-Ed, and I can't wait to hear back from you.
Hi, Michael. Looking forward to having our favorite science writer back in Serbia in no time. Safe trails.
Dear students, dear Michael, we are pleased to see you again this October in our country, the country of Nikola Tesla. As you know, the teachers of the 50s prepared students for moon landing. Teachers of the 70s prepared students for watching into matter in CERN. Teachers of the 90s prepared us to watching live pictures from Mars and made Mars robots possible. We, the teachers of the 21st century, should make the new frontiers for our next generation. Michael, join us for doing it. See you.
Hello, Michael. This is Samson, St. Francis College of Education. I was glad to meet you on your coming on the two occasions, and I like the science experiment that you showed me. Even though I'm not a science student, I enjoyed it, and then wish you come and do more for us.
It's René Claude from the Canada Agriculture and Food Museum. I'm here in Toronto for the ASCC conference, and I'm wishing you best of luck on your next adventure.
Thanks for doing the experiment with us. I like the primary colors experiments. I like the pressure experiments. I like the thermometer experiment. We miss you.